Hey there, Shopify store owners. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through exporting orders from your Shopify store using StoreRobo. Whether you need to analyze order data, keep backups, or share it with your team, this tutorial will show you how to export orders efficiently and hassle-free. Compared to normal export, with StoreRobo, you can select specific orders, choose exactly which columns to export, and even filter by order status, date range, and other criteria. This allows you to export just the data you need in a clean and organized file, saving you time and effort. Now, let's dive into how to export your orders using StoreRobo. First, open the StoreRobo app in your Shopify store and navigate to the Export section. Here, you'll be prompted to choose an export template. Select the Shopify CSV format and click Proceed. Next, under the Select Data section, choose Orders as the type of data to export. You can expand this section to apply filters and customize your export. The first section enables the selection of export columns. Customizing the columns is very simple. StoreRobo allows you to select which fields to include in the export, like customer details, payment details, or fulfillment-related data. You can add or remove columns to suit your needs. For example, you can filter orders by their fulfillment status, such as unfulfilled or partially fulfilled. You can also choose a specific date range or export orders containing certain tags. For this example, let's export only the basic columns, line items, and line item product data related columns of fulfilled orders. After selecting the data per requirements, you have the export methods. If you need to export your orders to an FTP server, you can enable the FTP option and set up your server details. You can also customize the CSV format by selecting the delimiter or separator. The default is a comma, but you can change it if needed. And finally, don't forget that you can save your configuration as a preset for future exports. This means that the next time you want to export the same type of data, you won't have to go through all the setup steps again. Once everything is set up, click Export. When the status changes to completed, you can download your export file or send it to the FTP server you've specified. And there you have it. You now know how to export orders from your Shopify store using StoreRobo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.